everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be vlogging to you my day at the beach. So I'm going with my family and it's right now 5 p.m. So guys, the weather is so hot. I don't know what to wear. I think I'm just gonna be wearing a dress or a skirt or something like this.
And I've been wishing fame turned to punishment. The weather's only sunny when I'm under it. And I haven't really changed yet, I'm just confident. I'm just fucking lucky that yeah.
So guys, now that I'm done with my makeup and outfit, let's pack my beach bag with me.
But I mean,
Looks delicious.